Repair and extract emails from Office 365 using Stellar Office 365 Extractor. Complete overview about Stellar Office 365 Extractor. Nowadays, most of the critical email contacts, calendar schedules, journals, notes and other components are stored in online collaboration suite called Office 365. This Office application provides lots of services that enable you to communicate and manage your tasks. In these ways, you need to use best email extractor tool. Named as Stellar Office 365 Extractor that helps to protect your all email lists from frustrating issues. Stellar Office 365 Extractor is known as one of the proficient tool which is primarily used to retrieve and extract email items from Office 365. It is a professional utility which is designed by advanced and latest algorithm. With the help of this application, you can easily restore lost email contacts, writing tasks, calendar entries and so others. In addition, this tool will provide advanced option to show the preview of deleted mailbox components. Stellar Office 365 Extractor is a fast and valuable application used to extract vital components from Office 365. Lists of amazing features provided by Stellar Office 365 Extractor. It can easily connect with Office 365 application and extracts items from mailbox. It has easy and secure interface. It gives quick option to check the preview of repaired email items. It has ability to scan emails and save them in XML, PST, HTML and other formats. With using this tool, you can see the lists of mailbox data in the left side of software window. It supports password-protected PST files. It is compatible with Outlook 2000, 2003 and all versions of Microsoft Outlook. Why some experts suggest to download this software. Stellar Office 365 Extractor is listed as finest and most popular application. It is designed with purpose to restore lost email files and extract them in easiest way. It has developed with advanced algorithm which deeply scans your corrupted PST files. After scanning, it instantly retrieves your personal messages, contacts and all valuable contents. So, if you want to get latest features, don't waste your time and download Stellar Office 365 Extractor from its official site. For more information, please visit http://www.freesoftx.com. Thanks for watching the video. So, please do like, subscribe and share the video.